Okay, so in order to get into MackinVIA, you just go to MackinVIA.com, HTTPS, and then //MackinVIA.com, and you'll need to type in the name of the school. So start typing in Pella Middle School and click on that. And then the username is 5166 Pella M, and the password is HAEA11. Click on Login. You can save that if you want to. And then over here, you can click on Categories if you want to, or you could browse through these if you find something that might be of interest to you. But just click on one of these either categories. You can click on ebooks, or if you want an audiobook, you can do that. Click on Categories here. I'm just going to click on Categories, and you can see there's a wide variety of them right here. So pick out kind of what you're interested in. So if I wanted a mystery book, I would click on this Mystery and Suspense right here. And then you can browse through the titles and look at them that way. Or if you're a certain author you want, you can click on that. Or if there's like a certain topic or subject you want, you can do that. If you want AR, to make sure it has AR, you can do that. Okay. Or you could also type in the title that you're maybe looking for. It doesn't have every book, of course, but maybe something of interest to you. So once you find one that you're interested in, you just click on Open Now, and then you can just read it on your computer. Okay, so here you can go through and read the book, or if it has a button like this, it also turns into an audiobook. Okay, so then it'll read the book to you.
1936 today is my dad's first official day as associate warden on Alcatraz Island, home to anyone who is anyone.
Yeah, so once you find one that you like, you can just read it, keep it on your computer, close the book up here, or you could also register, I believe, for an account up here. If you click on Login, it'll allow you to register right here, and you can make your own account. And then just use your information and just make your own account if you want to do it that way. Okay, so that just gives you a general overview of how to get into MackinVIA.